The average adult fears public speaking worse than they fear death. And that is according to a Forbes article, Forbes.com article that was written in 2012. This means that in a funeral, the average adult would rather be dead in the casket than in front of the crowd reading the obituary. My name is Sibusiso Sibeko. I'm from an academy of public speaking named Create Life. What we do at Create Life, we provide life-changing public speaking training accessible to the youth, the entrepreneur, and the working professional. We do this by building confidence in our customers while we empower them to learn about themselves and master themselves while they go through our Practice Makes Perfect public speaking program. Public speaking is one of the world's leading phobias. And according to a study done by the Washington Post in America in 2014, it came up with 25.8% of the participants, which was the leading phobia in America in 2014. So what that tells you is that there is a lot of people who wouldn't do what I'm doing as I'm standing here. And to an entrepreneur like me and you, being able to articulate your vision, your business, and your ideas to a crowd like this is of critical necessity, and sometimes can determine the success of your business. What we do at Create Life, we take you through our program that assesses your ability to speak. It looks at the reasons why you fear public speaking. Then we take you through confidence building exercises that eliminate your fear of public speaking. And then after that, we give you a series of objectives that gets you from a normal speaker or a non-speaker at all into a great public speaker. For corporates like Apple and Discovery Health, and even in some instances for startups like the Hookup Dinner, the Lazy Makoti, and Skinny School Socks, the success of those brands was largely dependent on the communication skills of the founders, the entrepreneurs that founded them. And following those brands and following the way in which those entrepreneurs tell their stories